Welcome to YouTube channel. Now, which is created by Advocate Madhuri Lavan and Advocate Mahesh Devlekar. Now we see the Jmfc question paper 2012, which is conducted by MPS. Listen carefully. Question number one. Summons of court can be served by the answer any of them. Means police officer, officer of the court, public servant. Question number two. Under Code of Criminal Procedure, substituted service of summons can be made and received by affixing summons on the house. Question number three. Under Section 97 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, search warrant to find out a person can be issued if answer is B. The person is unlawful confined. Question number four. Sorry. Sorry. Question number four. Under Section 107, the Code of Criminal Procedure, executive magistrate can obtain bond from a person if answer is B. The person is likely to commit a breach of peace. Question number 5. A divorced wife is entitled to maintenance from her husband answer D till she remarries म्हणजे लग्न होईपर्यंत. Question number 6. Executive magistrate can put a party in possession of immovable property. Answer is A. Upon the police report that a dispute in respect likely to disturb public peace. Question number 7. In a private complaint case, process can be issued against an accused after answer is C. The magistrate is the opinion that there is sufficient ground to proceed with the case. Question number D. Any defect in charge, answer is D, can be cured by amending it with a direction to retrial if such amendment is causing prejudice to the accused. Question number 8. Statement of an accused is recorded to enable him to explain circumstances apparent in the evidence against him. Question number 10. The court on application for plea bargaining by the accused to satisfy itself that it is made voluntary. Answer is B. Examines him in camera. Decree means, question number 11, decree means the formal expression of the court of an adjudication determining the rights of parties. Question number 12, judgment means none of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. Question number 13 is objection to the jurisdiction of the court is taken at the hearing of any application for interim leave. The court shall proceed to answer is D to determine issue as to the jurisdiction. Question number 14, res judicata means answer is B. Not trying the suit if suit involving similar issues between similar parties is decided. Question number 15. Objection to the territorial jurisdiction of a court can be allowed if it is raised answer is C at the earliest possible opportunity and issues are settled. Question number 16. In case of a decree for the payment of money, the court can interest at the rate of 6% per annum. Question number 17. Under the inherent powers of the civil code, it can pass orders. Answer is B. Necessary for the ends of justice or to prevent abuse of the process of the court. Question number 18. Defendant can claim temporary injunction in a suit filed by the plaintiff. Answer is A. To prevent the suit property being alienated or damaged. Question number 19. The defendant shall present his written statement within question number 19 within 30 days from the service of summons upon him. Question number 20. Where any period fixed or granted by the court for doing an act is prescribed by the Code of Civil Procedure, the court may charge such period. Answer is B. Not exceeding 30 days in total. Question number 21. Question number 21. Where a 30-year-old document is produced before the court, it may presume. Answer is B. That the document is duly executed. Question number 22. A document can be proved by examining the person in whose handwriting the document is written or signed. Question number 23. A confessional statement made before police C is admissible only if it relates to a fact discovered in consequences of it. Question number 34. Admission is B. Answer is B. Not a conclusive proof but operates only as a stubble. Question 25. Admission means C. Statement suggesting the inference as to any fact in issue. Question number 26. A fact is relevant. Answer is C. If it is connected with a fact in issue as to form part of the same transaction. Question number 27. A fact is said to be proved. Answer is C. If it is not denied. Question number 28. Evidence means an include. Answer is C. Statement of witness required to be made before the court. Question number 29. Question number 29. Primary evidence of a document means document itself. Question number 30. A child born out of valid marriage can be proved to be legitimate child of the husband if it is born within 280 days of its dissolution. Answer A. 280 days. Question number 31. Which of these cannot be lawfully transferred as per Transfer of Property Act 1882? Answer is A. Salary of public officer. Question number 32. As per the section 6 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, an easement cannot be transferred apart from the dominant heritage. Question number 32. 33. Which of these is immovable property as per provision of Transfer of Property Act 1882? Answer is C. Fruit trees. Question 34. The term transfer under the Transfer of Property Act 1882 refers to. Answer D. Both A and B are correct. Means the term transfer under the Transfer of Property Act 1882 refers to partly or whole transfer, absolute or conditional transfer. Question number 35. As per section 9 of Transfer of Property 1882, oral transfer are conditionally valid. Question 36. Under the provision of Transfer of Property Act, unborn child acquires vested interest of. Answer is A. Upon his birth. Question number 37. The mortgage in which without delivering possession of mortgage property, the mortgagor binds himself personally to pay the mortgage money is known as answer is C. Simple mortgage. Question number 38. The gift of future property is A. Void. Section 39. Section 39. The rule of lease vendors applies when the suit in which right immovable property. Answer is C. Answer is C is pending between two persons and one of them sells property. Question number 40. Rule against perpetuity prescribes that. Answer is C. Answer is C. No transfer of property can operate to create an interest which is take effect after the lifetime of one or more person living on the date of such transfer. Question number 41. If a contract comprises an agreement to do an act and also not to do certain act, answer is C. Injunction can be granted to compel performance of both or any of them. Question number 42. A suit for recovery for possession based on the previous possession of a person can be filed by such a person even against real owner of that property who has dispossessed it. Question number 43. As in such for specific performance of contract for its enforcement can be decreed when. Answer is A. There exists no standard for asserting the accused damage accused by the non-performance of it. Question number 44. A court may not exercise its discretion to decree specific performance of a contract when. Answer is A. The contract gives the plaintiff an unfair advantage over the defendant. Question number 45. A suit for rescission of contract by any person having interest in it can be decreed in his favor. Answer is B, where the contract is voidable at the option of the plaintiff. Question number 46. No court shall declare that the plaintiff is entitled to a right B if he is unable to seek further relief than mere declaration about omits to do so. Question number 47. A perpetual injunction is granted to the plaintiff C to prevent the breach of an obligation existing in his favor. Question number 48. In a suit for perpetual or mandatory injunction, the plaintiff can be granted damages if claimed specifically by him. Question number 49. If a suit for specific performance of a contract where earnest money is paid by the plaintiff, answer is C. It cannot be refunded only if it is specifically claimed. Question number 50. To claim specific performance of contract, it is answer is B. Necessary to plead to prove that the plaintiff has always been ready and willing to perform his part of contract. Question number 51. Question number 51. Person in the occupation of premises is tenant if answer is B. He is put in exclusive possession of it and pays for rent. Question number 58. 52. Question number 52. A landlord shall not be entitled to recovery of possession so long as the tenant, answer is D, pays rent and permits increase and observes the terms and conditions of tenancy. Question number 53. A tenant cannot be evicted even if he erects a permanent structure. Answer is D, if landlord consents to it in writing. Question number 54. Premises led to banks or public sector undertaking having paid the share capital of rupees. Capital rupees are exempted from protection of Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999. Answer is 1 crore. 55. No decree can be passed against a tenant for the requirement of premises for landlord unless answer is D. Landlord bona fide claims it and is likely to suffer greater hardship. Question number 56. A landlord can get possession of premises for its demolition and construction of new building only if answer D. All the above. A landlord can get possession of premises for its demolition and construction of new building only if landlord has sufficient funds with him for it, he has approved plan and estimates, landlord undertakes to provide new premises equal in carpet area of the existing one. '57. A proceeding to recover possession of premises from a license is to be filed in C. The court of competent authority appointed by the state government under the Maharashtra Rent Control Act. Question number 58. If a landlord withholds any essential supply or services to the tenanted premises, the tenant can seek remedy by way of answer C. Application for restoration in the Small Causes Civil Code. Question 59. Whether appeal against the decision in appeal of appellate bench of Small Causes Code district code would lie before answer is no appeal lie. No appeal lies. Question number 60. Question number 60. If the landlord fails to keep the premises in good and tenantable repair, the proper remedy for tenant is answer is C. To make such repairs sincere after 15 days notice to the landlord. Question number 61. If sufficient cause is made out, the time for filing proceedings in the court can be extended if answer is A. The delay is for presenting the appeal or application under CPC. Question 62. If a cause of action for the suit arises when the plaintiff is minor, he may institute the suit A. within the period prescribed by limitation for such suit after he attains a majority. Question number 63. In computing the period of limitation for any suit, appeal or application, the date for which such period is to be reckoned shall be executed. Section 64. While computing the period of limitation of a suit, time spent in another similar proceeding in the court having no jurisdiction can be excluded if answer is A. The plaintiff is acted in good faith with due diligence. Question 65. A suit can be said to be in limitation even after the period prescribed. Answer is C. If the defendant acknowledges liability of the plaintiff's right before expiration of the period of limitation. 66. When a new defendant is added in the suit shall be deemed to have been instituted against him from answer is A. The date of his addition. Question number 67. In case of an easement by prescription, the period of 20 years must be ending within from the date of institution of the sale suit. Answer is B. 2 years. Section 68. Suit. Section 60, a suit on a bill of exchange on promissory note payable at a fixed time should be within 3 years from. Answer is B, the date on which time expires. Question number 69. Question number 69. A suit for possession of immovable property based on title can be brought within 12 years from. Answer is D, the date on which possession of dependent becomes adverse. Question number 70. Where no period of limitation is prescribed for an application, it can be applied within 3 years. Question number 71. An ordinance can be issued by the president at any time when both the houses of parliament are not in session. Question number 72. The proposal to prepare charge against the President of India should be of the total number of members of the House is 1/4. Article 14 of Indian Constitution does prohibit reasonable classification. Answer is D, reasonable classification. 74. Under Article 356, a proclamation to remain operative must be approved within 2 months by. Answer is C. Answer C, both the houses of parliament. Question number 75. Who presides over the meeting of Lok Sabha in the absence of the Speaker? C, Deputy Speaker. Question number 76. Which of the following fundamental rights is available to both the citizen and non-citizen? B, the right to equality before life. Question number 77. Who appoints Attorney General of India? D, President. 78. Who can aggrieve for the enforcement of legal right? A, High Court. Question number 79. Judges of the Supreme Court other than the Chief Justice of Supreme Court are appointed by B, the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. 80. In case there is a conflict between the preamble and other provisions of the Constitution, which will prevail over the other? A. Answer is A, preamble will prevail. Question number 81. Essential ingredients of the offense of mischief is C. Answer is C. Intentionally causing wrongful loss or damage to the property another by destroying or diminishing its value. Question number 82. If a person entrusted with a property dishonestly converts it to his own use, commits D. Answer D. Criminal breach of trust. Question number 83. When by putting any person in fear of injury, he is dishonestly induced by another to deliver property, it is extortion. The theft is committed when A. Movable property is taken away secretly without consent its owner. Question number 80. Grievous hurt means. Answer is C. Any hurt which endangers life. Question number 86. Unlawful assembly means. B. Answer B. An assembly of 5 or more persons having common object to commit offence. Question number 87. Criminal conspiracy means. Answer is A. Agreement between two persons for doing an illegal act. Question number 88. If a person instigates, intentionally aid or engages another person to do a thing, he is said to have. Answer is A. Abetted such another person. Question number 89. When a person gains something by unlawful means to which are legally entitled, it is wrongful gain. Question number 90. Culpable homicide means causing B. Answer will be causing death intentionally. Question number 91. A suit involving unregistered partnership arising from a right from a contract of such partnership is maintainable if it is by the legal heirs of deceased partner for accounts of such firm. Question number 92. Partnership firm. Answer B is not a legal entity. 93. Question number 93. Partnership means answer is B. Agreement between the persons to share the profit of a business carried on between them. Question number 94. An agreement is void if answer is C, if its object is unlawful. Question number 95. Agreement to do impose act is answer is B, void. Question number 96. Question number 96. This question is not, answer is not there. Question number 97. A contract between an insurance company and vehicle owner to save the latter from consequences of a vehicular accident is a contract of indemnity. Question 98. Delivery of goods is deemed to have been accepted by the buyer when answer is D. Intimation of their acceptance is sent by him. Question number 99. A contract of sale of goods is a contract whereby answer is the seller transfer or agrees to transfer the property in goods to the buyer for a price. Question number 100. Unpaid seller means unpaid sellers means answer is D. A seller who is not paid or tendered whole of the price agreed. Now we here completed the Jmfc MCQ pre-examination of the 2012. I am sure that you prepare well for the examination, and I also suggest you to keep our YouTube channel watching. We are preparing the videos of the MCQ of all subjects which is useful for Jmfc, LLP entrance, LLM entrance, and clat students. Please keep watching our YouTube channel and read a lot and listen a lot. If you reading and listening, you should be understand all subjects completely. Thank you for YouTube channel. Please share our link to other persons who are needy and who are willing to work hard. Because without working hard, you are not getting anything. Also, I requested you read a lot and work hard. Thank you for your cooperation.